you'll find the Member Help selection in the upper navigation bar. Click the Member Help button. Here you will see the top questions like, do you offer mortgages? If you click on the small arrow on the right, it will drop down the answer to each question. You can also use the top search bar to search what you are looking for. Let's type in Zelle. As you can see, the intelligent search will pop up showing you options for you to click on and allows you to find what you're looking for. Otherwise, if you click the magnifying glass to search, it will bring up pages and FAQs that have to do with Zelle. You are also able to filter your results by All About South Point, Business Accounts, Financial Education, and Personal Accounts. Back at the Member Help page and scrolling down, you will see Search FAQs. Use this search bar to search FAQs that have been answered before. For example, let's search Bill Pay. As you can see, this will bring up all FAQs and answers that have to do with bill pay. Going back to the Member Help button and scrolling down on the page, we can see that you can also browse FAQs by category. For example, let's click on Checking and Savings. In here, you can see there are a few tabs on this page that are categories on FAQs that have been asked and answered, such as courtesy pay, accounts, debit cards, and deposits. If you are unable to find the answer to your question, you can click on the Contact Us via video, phone, text, or email button.